سلام دوستای عزیز، خوش آمدید باز هم به چنل آموزش انگلیسی با من. امروز براتون یک چند تا جملات پرسشی را آوردیم با کلمه how much و یا چه مقدار. بیاین که با هم یاد بگیریم که چطور با how much سوال کنیم. How much is this? How much is this? این چه مقدار است؟ How much is that big? How much is that big? او چقدر بزرگ است؟ How much does it cost? How much does it cost? این چقدر قیمت داره؟ این چقدر قیمت داره؟ How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket? قیمت تکت چقدر است؟ How much is the food? How much is the food? این چه مقدار غذا است؟ How much money do you have? How much money do you have? چه مقدار پیسه تو داری؟ How much is the dress? How much is the dress? این لباس چه مقدار است یا چند است؟ How much is the rent? How much is the rent? کرایه چه مقدار است؟ How much sugar do you want? How much sugar do you want? چقدر بوره میخواهی؟ How much water is there? How much water is there? چقدر اونجا است؟ How much time do we have? How much time do we have? چقدر تایم داریم؟ How much is the room? بخشین how much is the phone? How much is the phone? تلفن چه مقدار است؟ How much یا چند است؟ How much milk is left? How much milk is left? چه مقدار شیر از دست رفته؟ How much is the price? قیمت چقدر است؟ How much is the price? قیمت چقدر است؟ How much fuel is there? How much fuel is there? چقدر تیل اونجا است؟ How much rice do we need? How much rice do we need? چه مقدار برنج ما نیاز داریم؟ How much is the room? How much is the room? اتاق چند است یا چه مقدار است قیمتش؟ How much coffee do you drink? چه مقدار کافی می نوشی؟ How much coffee do you drink? How much is the bus fare? How much is the bus fare? کرایه بس چقدر است؟ How much bread is there? How much bread is there? چقدر نان اونجاست؟ این بود یک چند تا سوال با کلمه how much که یک WH question است سوال میکنه. انشالله که شما هم فهمیده باشین که چطور با how much و یا هم که کلمه است که نشان دهنده مقدار است چطور این را امروزی سوال کنین. این بود از درس امروز. وقتان بخیر.